This is an experiment in which we were working with students who'd been assessed as needing remediation in mathematics. And at 3 colleges of the 19 undergraduate colleges at the City University of New York, we randomly assigned 907 of these students to each student to one of 3 course types. One course was traditional remedial mathematics in elementary algebra. One course type was the traditional remedial mathematics with a weekly 2-hour workshop, and one course was college-level introductory statistics with a weekly 2-hour workshop. What we were able to show is that the students who had been assessed as needing remedial mathematics actually passed the statistics course at a higher rate than the students who'd been assigned to the remedial mathematics course. And what that does is to show that we do have a way to get students past the block of remedial mathematics that is one of the major reasons that students do not graduate from college in this country. And we were also able to show that students do not need to first take elementary algebra and show that they can pass it in order to pass introductory college-level statistics. A lot of people are unaware that in the United States, the graduation rates are actually nationally not that high. For students in bachelor's degree programs, which are supposed to take 4 years, only 59% of students graduate in 6 years. And for students who are in associate degree programs, which are supposed to take 2 years, only 31% graduate in 3 years. This is much wasted time and money, the money of the students, the money of the colleges, and also the money of the taxpayers. And since students have to pay for remedial courses themselves, or financial aid pays for it, when students have to take a lot of remedial courses, they sometimes run out of financial aid before they can finish their bachelor's degree. But if you look at why students are not graduating from college, probably the biggest single academic reason that they're not graduating is remediation in mathematics. The majority of new freshmen, college freshmen in this country, are assessed as needing remediation, and by far the most common remedial need is mathematics. And most students who are assessed as needing remedial mathematics never complete that course. So helping students to get past the remedial mathematics block can make a big impact in terms of the number of students that we have actually graduating from college. If students who were assessed as needing remedial elementary algebra at CUNY, just at CUNY, each fall alone were assigned instead to statistics, many thousands of students would pass their math requirement for college who would otherwise not pass. That these students in that group, elementary algebra with the weekly workshop, were significantly less likely to show up for college in the fall. They not only didn't enroll in the course to which they were assigned, they didn't even show up to college. And what this suggests is that it's possible that when we tell students that they're going to have to take a very time-consuming, lengthy remedial course or treatment, that this actually discourages them from attending college. Our research is very important for addressing what are called performance gaps, and that is the lower graduation rate of students from underrepresented groups, meaning Black and Hispanic students from college, as opposed to students from other groups. Because students from these underrepresented groups are more likely to be assessed as needing mathematics remediation. However, our results showed no difference in terms of race or ethnicity. So that means that if our strategy for dealing with situations where students have been assessed as needing mathematics remediation, if our strategy were applied to students, it would help to decrease, or to some degree at least, these performance gaps in graduation rates.